In his first season with the Italian manufacturer, Espargaro finished 15th in the championship standings, taking a best result of 6th place in both the season opener in Qatar and later in Aragon. The Spaniard's year also included 8 non-finishes amid numerous accidents and mechanical problems, while he was also forced to miss the penultimate round in Malaysia after requiring surgery on his left hand after falling during an on-track battle at Phillip Island. Despite claiming to enjoy his time riding the RSGP, Espargaro said that his 2017 MotoGP campaign had been really bad, because the points of the championship are not good. He added, "Maybe I need to be less passionate, but you know how I am. I want to be on the top. Maybe we need to be redefining a bit the goals. I want to fight close the podium every single race, and maybe we are not ready, as a package, everything maybe not we are not ready." Questioned as to why the bike wasn't as expected during the year and what changes can be made, he responded, "The most difficult point with this bike is the first part of the race. With the full tank I can't push as I want.